So here's how to activate the full smart wallet, which includes the layer 1 portion, using funds from your layer 2 counterfactual wallet. So if we swipe over to Ethereum layer 1 and click on activate, enter the verification code that was just sent to you, read through the terms and conditions, and if you give them a click, once you've read through and understood, at the bottom, you'll be able to click confirm. And once you're ready, let's click confirm. Next, select which currency you'd like to pay the activation fee in. Click confirm, read through the guide at the bottom, and once you click next, your smart wallet will start the process of activating the layer 1 portion of your wallet. And once the layer 1 portion has been activated, you'll have additional security options, as well as being able to deposit directly from other solutions that use layer 1, such as centralized exchanges. And now you've activated your full smart wallet.